Start with the name of Allah who was merciful and kind. This is me, Muhammad Muhammad Nadu, student of BBA 2017 at St. Joseph Campus Glasgow. Today, lecture of Operation Management given by name Yusra Bro, visiting faculty at St. Joseph Campus Glasgow. Operation management means set of activities. Operation management is set of activities that create value in the form of goods and services. Create value in the create value in the form of goods and services by transforming inputs into outputs. Transforming inputs in the output. Operation management is the administration of business practices. Operation management means operation management is administration of business practices to create the high level of efficiency possible within an organization. It is concerned with the converting material and labor into goods and services as efficiently as possible to maximize the profit of the organization. Why do you study operation management? Why do you study operation management? Understanding the operations, why we study operation management? Because of the understanding the operations help for become a good manager. For understanding the operations for become good manager. As operation management is necessary in order to run a business, as a working understanding of operation will help you do your job better. Means operation management is necessary uh, for your business, for your job better. Operation management understanding the operations for become good manager means uh, operation management necessary necessary for business for working and understanding. Second number topic is forecasting. Forecast, Forecasting means predict about the future. Or you can say that estimate about the future. Forecasting means predict about the future and estimate about the estimate or we can say that estimate about the future. Forecasting is a technique that uses historical data as input to the make informed estimate that data predictive in determining the direction of future trends. Business utilize forecasting to determine how to allocate their budgets or plan for anti, anticipated expenses for an upcoming period of time. There are three types of forecasting. There are three types of forecasting. Number one, economic forecasting. Economic forecasting. Second number is technological forecasting. Technological forecasting, and number three is demand forecasting. Demand forecasting. Types of forecasting. Number one, economic forecasting. Economic forecasting is the process of attempting to predict the future condition of the company. Means attempting the future condition of the economy. Economic forecasting is the process of attempting to predict the future condition of the economy using the combination of important and widely followed indications. Number second is technological forecasting. A prediction of the future character, intensity and timing of change in technology. Means the character and intensity and the timing of change in technology. technical forecasting. Number 3, demand. Demand forecasting. Demand forecasting, in the process of which historical sales data is used to develop an estimate of expected forecast of customers' demand. Means develop an estimate of expected forecasting of customers demand. Number third topic, supply chain management. Supply chain management is the management of the flow of goods and services involve the movement and storage of raw material of work in a process inventory and of finished goods as well as and in orders fulfillment from point of origins to point of consumption. Means supply chain management means goods and services goods in raw material and finished goods, inventory of raw material in finished goods. Finished. Supply chain strategic importance. The condition of the all supply chain activities is starting with raw materials and ending with specified customers. Means supply chain strategy means all supply chain activities is starting with raw material and ending with specified customers. Supply chain strategy means supply chain activity is starting with raw material starting raw material and ending with and they were specified customer. Supply chain strategic raw material and ending with specified customers. Include supplies, manufacturer and our services provides distribution, wholesaler, retailer and final customers. Number 4 topic is 6 sourcing strategies. 6 sourcing sourcing strategies. Number 1 is menu supplier. Many supplier. Number 2, few supplier. Number 3, vertical integration. And number fourth is joint venture. And number fifth is creative network. And last, number six, virtual companies. Six sourcing strategies. Number one, main supplier. Commonly used for commodity products purchased in typically based on price. Means commodity product purchase is typically based on price. And number second, few supplier. Few supplier buyers form longer terms relationship with few suppliers. Means long term relationship with few supplier. Few supplier. And number three is vertical integration. Vertical integration, the combination in one firm of two or more states of production formally operated by separate firm. Means one firm of two or more states of production. One firm or two more production. More production. Vertical integration means the combination in one firm of two or more states of production. More states. States of production normally operated. Number four. Joint venture. Joint venture, a commercial enterprise undertaken jointly by taking two or more parties which otherwise retain their distinct identities. Means two or more parties. Two or more parties. And number fifth is the courtesy network. Courtesy network in a business network composed of manufacture supply chain, purchase, distribution, and financiers who remain financially independent but work closely forgotten. Number six, virtual business or virtual company. Virtual business or company. Virtual business is my business that conduct all or most of its business via the inter, internal. It may or may not have some not have some kind of physical presence, such as in office or warehouse, but there is not physically within that customers can visit.